Ever pondered how investing in aluminum could be your next big move in the investment world? Well, today we're going to unravel that mystery. Aluminum, the third most abundant element on our planet and a fundamental part of our everyday lives, has a unique place in the global market. From being a crucial component within the automotive and aerospace industries to being essential in the packaging and construction sectors, aluminum's widespread utility is undeniable. Its versatility and durability make it indispensable, and this universal demand sets the stage for its potential as an investment. So, what exactly is aluminum investment? Well, in simple terms, it's buying into the aluminum industry with the expectation of a return. This could be through purchasing shares in aluminum mining companies, buying futures contracts, or even acquiring physical aluminum. Just like investing in any other commodity, it's a way for you to potentially profit from market fluctuations and trends. Now, why might aluminum be an attractive investment option? For one, aluminum is a cornerstone of the global economy. Its demand is closely tied to economic growth. When industries expand, they need more aluminum. This means that investing in aluminum could provide a way to capitalize on global economic development. Moreover, aluminum is subject to supply and demand dynamics, and these can often be predicted based on various factors like industrial growth or geopolitical events. This predictability can make aluminum a relatively stable investment, especially compared to more volatile markets. But of course, with every investment comes risk. While aluminum's demand is relatively stable, its price can still be influenced by unpredictable factors, such as sudden changes in supply or shifts in the global economy. It's crucial to be aware of these potential pitfalls when considering an investment in aluminum. So there you have it, the aluminum investment puzzle. A unique blend of opportunity, risk, and reward. But remember, every puzzle has a solution, and understanding the intricacies of aluminum investment could be the key to unlocking its potential. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of aluminum investment. Before diving into investment, gaining insights into the aluminum market is pivotal. Now, to understand the aluminum market, we need to examine the key factors influencing its price. These factors can be broadly categorized into supply and demand, geopolitical events, and global economic trends. Let's break these down. Starting with supply and demand, aluminum is the third most abundant element in the Earth's crust, but its extraction is energy-intensive. Fluctuations in energy prices can significantly impact the cost of aluminum production, thereby influencing its market price. On the demand side, aluminum finds extensive use in the automotive, construction, and packaging industries, among others. Changes in these sectors can drive demand, affecting aluminum prices. Moving on to geopolitical events, they can disrupt aluminum supply chains, causing price volatility. A case in point is the imposition of tariffs or trade restrictions. For instance, when country A imposes a tariff on aluminum imports from country B, it can cause a ripple effect on the global aluminum market. Next, global economic trends play a significant role. As aluminum is widely used in various industries, its demand is closely linked to economic growth. In periods of economic expansion, demand for aluminum typically rises, pushing up its price. Conversely, during economic downturns, demand may fall, leading to a drop in price. Now let's take a quick look at the top aluminum producing and consuming countries. China leads the pack in both production and consumption thanks to its booming manufacturing sector. Other key players include Russia and Canada on the production side, and the United States and India on the consumption side. Understanding these dynamics can help you foresee potential price movements in the aluminum market. Remember, the more informed you are, the better your investment decisions will be. With a grasp on these market dynamics, we can now explore investment avenues. So you've understood the market, now let's explore where and how to invest in aluminum. There are several ways to invest in this versatile metal, each with its own unique benefits and drawbacks. First up, physical aluminum. Buying the physical product might seem a bit old school, but it's a tangible, straightforward investment. You buy the aluminum, store it, and sell it when the price is right. The downside? Storage costs can add up, and it's not as easy to buy and sell as other forms of investment. Next, we have aluminum stocks. These are shares in companies that mine or produce aluminum. This investment avenue provides a way to profit from the overall success of the aluminum industry without the need to handle the physical product. However, it's important to remember that stocks are affected by factors beyond the price of aluminum itself, such as the overall health of the company and market trends. On to exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. Some ETFs specifically track the price of aluminum, offering a way to invest in the metal's price without the need to own physical aluminum or invest in individual companies. The catch? ETFs come with management fees and their performance depends on the skill of the fund managers. Lastly, we have futures contracts. These are agreements to buy or sell a certain amount of aluminum at a fixed price at a future date. They're a popular way to hedge against price fluctuations. However, futures are complex and require a good understanding of the market. They can lead to significant losses if not handled correctly. Each of these investment avenues offers its own unique blend of risk and reward. Physical aluminum is tangible and straightforward. Stocks offer a way to profit from the broader industry. ETFs provide exposure to aluminum prices without the need for physical storage. And futures can hedge against price fluctuations but require a good understanding of the market. Now that you know your options, let's talk about the strategies for success. Investment isn't just about jumping in, it's about having a strategy. And when it comes to investing in aluminum, the strategy you adopt can make all the difference between success and failure. First and foremost, let's talk about diversification. It's a fundamental principle of investing that applies to aluminum just as it does to any other asset. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different types of aluminum assets, such as stocks, futures, and exchange-traded funds, as well as other commodities. This can help to spread your risk and increase the potential for returns. Next up is research. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true in investing. Before you invest in aluminum, take the time to understand the ins and outs of the aluminum market. Find out about the factors that influence aluminum prices, the main producers and consumers, and the trends that are shaping the industry. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed investment decisions. Staying updated on market trends is another key element of a successful aluminum investment strategy. The aluminum market doesn't stand still. It's affected by a wide range of factors, from changes in supply and demand to geopolitical events and technological advancements. By keeping a close eye on these trends, you can position yourself to take advantage of opportunities and steer clear of potential pitfalls. Last but not least, let's talk about risk management. Investing in aluminum, like all investments, carries a degree of risk. It's important to assess your risk tolerance and manage your investments accordingly. This might involve setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, or adjusting your investment portfolio in response to changes in the market. While this might seem a lot to take in, remember that investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, do your homework, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice if you need it. With the right strategy, aluminum investment can be a game changer. But what about the potential risks? Every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Aluminum is no different. Let's first delve into the risks. Like any commodity, aluminum is subject to price volatility. This is largely due to fluctuations in global supply and demand. When supply exceeds demand, prices tend to drop and vice versa. It's a seesaw effect that can impact your investment value. Another significant risk is geopolitical influences. Aluminum production is heavily concentrated in a few regions around the world, and political instability in these areas can lead to supply disruptions. For example, if a major aluminum-producing country faces a political crisis, it could halt production and send prices skyrocketing. Now let's turn our attention to the rewards of aluminum investment. The first and most obvious is the potential for high returns. As demand for aluminum continues to grow, particularly in sectors like automotive, construction, and packaging, the potential for profit increases. The growing demand for aluminum is largely driven by its unique properties. It's lightweight, resistant to corrosion, and highly recyclable, making it a material of choice for a variety of industries. This trend is expected to continue as industries strive to become more sustainable and energy efficient. Moreover, an investment in aluminum can serve as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods and services rise, so too does the price of commodities like aluminum. Therefore, investing in aluminum can provide a degree of protection against the eroding effects of inflation. But of course, it's important to remember that the potential for high returns comes with a proportionate level of risk. As we've discussed, factors like price volatility and geopolitical influences can have a significant impact on your investment. Understanding the risks and rewards can help you make an informed decision about investing in aluminum. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investment.